Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about Google Sheets. Google Sheet is like MS Excel, but it has an added advantage that I am going to share with you. Okay, so let us start. First you have to go to the like this on Google and you have to log in. After that you will go to Google Apps, and as you click on Google Apps you will see various icons. You will have to find out Sheets. So this is about Google Sheet. You will have to click here. As you click, this Google Sheet will open, and it is working on internet, so it depends on speed of internet also. After that, now I am clicking here on this blank sheet, and this interface will open and it will look like your MS Excel where you have been working. So like this you can use, and you can make table. So that added advantage that I am telling you is that it is basically it can be used for collaboration tool. It can be used for the use of the author also, and it can be used for collaboration with your colleagues, with your friends also. If you have to collect any data simultaneously from a number of friends and colleagues, then this Google Sheet is very helpful. So let us see the, like say for example, I am writing here name, and I am writing here, say for example, achievements, then date, and then place. Okay, I have to collect this data from my colleagues or from somebody else. So I will make this kind of sheet, and after making this sheet, now up to this it is for my personal use only. Okay, like if I have to feed some data, then I can feed here. Okay, and it is also possible for me to collaborate with my colleagues. How we can do? We will go to this share. Okay, and we have to give the name I am giving, say for example, is achievements, and I will save. Okay, now this interface will come. Here it is written share with people and groups. It is possible. So now you can share. Say for example, I am sharing this sheet with my son Akshit Agrawal, and I can write the message also. Okay, please fill this sheet for your achievements. So like this you can share it with more than one, and many people you can share. And here you will have to see here, like on this right hand side it is editor. So by default this position will be editor, position of the person to whom you are sharing this sheet. Okay, it is also possible for you to change it also, like viewer means somebody who can see it also, commentator who can write also, and editor is the person who can change the field also. So by default it is editor, that you will have to decide that how much rights you want to give to another person. Okay, if your colleagues you trust them, then you can give editor also. So like this I will sorry I will share it with my colleagues, and now it is written here this person added. Okay, and that it will automatically reach on the email of another person, and both these persons now can simultaneously work on this sheet. So I found this use of Google Sheet very useful. Hope you will also find it very useful. Do like, share and comment on my channel, and tell me if you like this video. Thank you so much.